We just received a male albino checkered garter snake, and unlike one of the longer unboxing videos, I've already cut the box open, and I'm just gonna pull him out and see how he looks. Of course, I'm gonna have to pause it so I can untie the bag. Alright, got the bag untied. Traffic noises in the background. Look at that, he just comes right out. He's a cute little guy. He's actually smaller than I thought he would be. But I don't know. I'll probably put him in his own little quarantined area for a bit and feed him and make sure he's good and healthy, and then plug him in with my female and hope that they do well breeding. So, oh, he's musking on me a little bit. Lovely. Well, thanks for watching. Bye. And I am unboxing a Paradigm male that I got from Michael Masters. I believe he's in Pennsylvania. It's pretty cool that you can have something shipped and it leaves the office there in the afternoon on a particular day, and it makes it to your doorstep by 10:30 the next morning. It's crazy. Shipping slip. After a little bit of effort to get it undone, get the knot undone, we got it open. Oh wow. I mean, he is beautiful. Probably don't want him to go near the knives. He's a little bit active, a little bit freaked out. But man, his pattern's awesome. Maybe get some of the... Jeepers. He's pretty. So thanks, Mike, if you get a chance to see this video. He's a beautiful Paradigm. I'm going to move him out of the living room in case he ends up going to the bathroom or something.